Hello everyone. I will discuss few questions on probability. The topics are Poisson distribution, continuous distribution, distribution function. Here I am starting from question number 6. 5 questions are discussed in earlier video lecture. The link of video lecture is given in the description box. Question number 6 is, if x is a Poisson variate and expectation of x is m, then expectation of x plus 1 whole square will be, there are 4 options. Expectation of x plus 1 square is expectation of x square plus 2x plus 1. So, expectation of x square plus 2 expectation of x plus expectation of 1 is 1, because we know expectation of constant is constant. So this one, expectation of x square, we have to find, and we know expectation of x as m, so 2m plus 1. Now let us find expectation of x square. Expectation of x square can be written as expectation of x square minus x plus x. So this thing can be written as expectation of x square minus x plus expectation of x. So this is expectation of x into x minus 1 plus this part is m. Now we have to find expectation of x into x minus 1. Expectation of x into x minus 1 is sum from I equals to 0 to infinity I into I minus 1 e power minus alpha power I by factorial I. Here alpha is the parameter of Poisson variate. This factorial I can be written as I into I minus 1 factorial I minus 2. So let us make this alpha power I as alpha power I minus 2 plus 2. These terms are cancelled. We have here alpha power I minus 2 plus 2 can be written as alpha power I minus 2 multiplied by alpha power 2, that is independent of I, so that alpha power 2 can be taken out of this sum. So alpha square sum I equals to 0 to infinity e power minus alpha power I minus 2 divided by factorial I minus 2. If I starts from 0, then you see here this factorial becomes negative, so we cannot write this I as 0. So I will start from 2. Now let us take I minus 2 as k. When I equals to 2, k is 0. Therefore, it becomes alpha square sum from k equals to 0 to infinity e power minus alpha power k by factorial k. So this is PMF or probability mass function for Poisson variate. According to the property of PMF, sum from k equals to 0 to infinity e power minus alpha power k by factorial k is 1. So it becomes alpha squared into 1, that is alpha square. Now let us put this value. So we have got expectation of x minus 1 as alpha square, and that is m square. So it becomes expectation of x square becomes m square plus m. So this becomes m square plus m plus 2m plus 1, and this is m square plus 3m plus 1. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 7. A random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that twice of probability at x equals to 1 equals to probability at x equals to 2, then the variance of x is. This type of sum we have done in the chapter Poisson distribution. Let's see. This was the question. A random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that probability of 1 equals to probability of 2. We have to find the standard deviation. Similar question. A random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that probability of 1 equals to probability of 2. Then find mean of the distribution and probability of 4. Let's see how we have done. Probability of 1 equals to probability of 2 given. So let us put the Poisson PMF. This is the Poisson PMF given here, where alpha is the parameter. Now cancelling e power minus alpha, we have alpha equals to alpha square by 2. Now after calculation we get either alpha as 0 or alpha equals to 2. Now alpha cannot be 0, it is always greater than 0. So alpha equals to 2 only. Now we know that mean and variance are same for Poisson distribution, and that is alpha, and here it is 2. And standard deviation is square root of variance of x. So standard deviation is root 2. Now what is the difference among these questions? Here we see that the relations given a little bit differently. There is only 2 multiplied in left hand side. So what we have to do? We have to just put here 1, 2. So let us put 2, 2, and now we will get as alpha square equals to 4 alpha. So we will get alpha as 4. As we know that mean and variance are same for Poisson distribution, so variance is 4 here. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. If x is a Poisson variate such that probability at x equals to 1 is 0.2 and probability at x equals to 2 is also 0.2. Find probability at x equals to 0. So it is similar to the question what we have done earlier. that it is given as probability of 1 equals to probability of 2, and in that case we have found alpha as 2. Check it. So here it is, alpha was 2. Now we will put alpha equals to 2 and k equals to 0 in the PMF of Poisson variate. PMF is e power minus alpha, alpha power k by factorial k. So here we will put alpha equals to 2 and k as 0. E power minus 2 alpha power 0 divided by factorial 0. Factorial 0 is 1 and alpha power 0 is 1. So this is e power minus 2. Therefore 1 by e square is the correct answer. Question number 9. For a random variable x with mean 0, we have to find the probability for x less than 4 sigma and greater than minus 4 sigma. This MCQ is of 1 mark because we do not have to work out anything, just we need the prerequisite knowledge, a continuous distribution, the area under the curve from minus 4 sigma to 4 sigma. Here we have taken a bell-shaped curve which is standard normal distribution, and we see that the mean is 0 here, and you can check this is minus 4 sigma and here this is plus 4 sigma. So from minus 4 sigma to 4 sigma, the area is the total area shown here, the total blue area shown here. As we know the property of PDF, integration from minus infinity to infinity fx dx as 1. If we see the diagram, total area is nearer to 1. And here in the options, we see that in option C, it is nearer to 1, 15 by 16. Question number 10. The random variable x has distribution function f. If f0 equals to 1 by 6, f1 equals to 1 by 2, f3 equals to 3 by 4, then we have to find probability for x less equals to 3, x greater than 0. According to the distribution function property, probability for x less equals to 3 greater than 0 is f3 minus f0. So this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 6, and the answer is 7 by 12. So option C is the correct answer. Hope all of you have understood. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.